Today is day one of 31 days of Japa Mantra Meditation in August. So basically, Japa meditation is a repetition of a mantra, and we'll be doing this 108 times. I'm going to count it on my prayer beads. So we'll repeat the mantra and then pause and repeat the mantra 108 times. Today's mantra is Om Namah Shivaya. We'll be using a different mantra for each of the 31 days. So Om Namah Shivaya is a great mantra for building self-awareness and assisting in transformation. It's also a great mantra for attracting positive energy and a positive outlook. And like all meditation, it's great for stress reduction. So we basically focus. So with all meditations, we focus our awareness on something just to build our awareness muscles. So as we're repeating, the japa is a repetition of the mantra. Absorb your awareness into that mantra. So you're basically not focusing on any other thoughts that are coming up. You can start loud, get quieter. You can do it internally. Sometimes it takes a little bit of practice to be able to do it internally and still block out all of the thoughts that are arising. So try it as you go along. I'll keep count and let's begin. So we'll start by sitting up nice and tall. So you can be sitting on a chair, sitting on your bed, sitting on the floor. Let's relax the shoulders, close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath in together. And ever so gently, let it go. Just feel yourself arriving in your meditation seat. This is a great opportunity to set an intention for your practice. What would you like to gain from today's practice? What would you like to offer up to someone else or something else? You might have an intention for the 31 days. Place that now. And we begin. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Now directing your internal gaze to that space between your eyebrows. Being very present with the outcome of our short practice. So if you have time, stay here for as long as your time allows. Otherwise, for the sake of this short video, we begin to awaken up. So invite a deeper breath in and take a stretch or a yawn or whatever feels good for your body right now. Let's join our hands together at the heart. We'll take a deep breath in as we lengthen from the tailbone to the crown of the head. And as we exhale, we bow to our hearts. Namaste.